Hi guys, a little bit of a filler video for you. This is just a maintenance wash of my car. I'm going to show you exactly what I do to it. The only reason this video is really going up is because I'm on holiday and I needed a video to fill the gap. So bear in mind, filler video, but if you're interested in how I maintain my car on a weekly basis, this is the video. It will kind of outline everything and it will be kind of there on my channel for anyone to see. And then maybe we'll do a video in the future of how I detail my car in terms of clay barring and stuff like that, and like the wax I use and stuff like that. So anyway, onto the video. Like I said, bit of a filler. Please don't hate me. So as you can see, I've got a ton of like bug splats and crap all over my car. So what I'm going to first use is just a citrus cleaner. So this is Auto Finesse Citrus Power Bug and Grime Remover. So basically we just spray that mainly over the front of your car because that's where all the bugs hit. I'm just going to basically spray it all the way along. As you can see, I've got a ton of it over here. So that's just going to loosen everything up. So with any luck, when I hit it with a jet wash and snow foam, it will kind of reduce the amount of kind of stuck on bugs that I've got. I then use some kind of wheel cleaner. So this is just Wonder Wheels Color Active stuff. To be honest with you, I haven't found a wheel cleaner that I'm like blown away by. This super cheap stuff is just as good as kind of all of the other stuff that I've tried. So to be honest, you know, you can use this. This is just that stuff that basically gets rid of iron out, dirt, that kind of stuff. But yeah, I seriously haven't found a product that blows me away compared to a cheap product like this. So just spray a bit of this on before I kind of pre-rinse the car. Next thing I use is this. I can't remember the company. Crystal Clean Detail, I don't know. Crystal Blizzard, pH neutral, like pretty much every other snow foam out there. But yeah, it works, it's cool. I'm going to try something else next time. I'm going to try that built hammer or something like that, but yeah, that's what we currently use. So I'm now going to spray that onto my car. And then let it dwell for about 5-10 minutes. So once that's all done, we're just going to let it dwell for 5 to 10 minutes, maybe even 15 if the weather isn't that bad. Obviously if it's a really cold day, longer dwell time can happen. And then from there we're going to make up some buckets of shampoo. I'll show you the stuff I'm going to use right now. And then basically once we've made up 2-bucket method, so one with water, one with shampoo, and then we're just going to start to blast the car off, so clear all the snow foam off, that kind of gets off most of the big dirt, and then we shampoo the car with kind of some soft mitts. time to dry the car off. And basically what I done was I washed the car, and then right at last minute I used the same mitt because why not? But I gave the wheels just a quick once over, and then obviously all the door seals and everything, boot seal, that kind of thing. Just going to do a quick shout out once again, Detail Master. I think they're called Diamond Weave drying towels. Just get one, it'll be in the description. Once again, I'm going to be using this, which isn't that big, but it will do my whole car, and I'll show you that right now. So that concludes the maintenance wash. Super simple to do, like that's how I do it. It takes me about an hour. Obviously at this point, if I had a bit of time, I would then just quick detail my car. So I'd just use like a little spray bottle, and sometimes I'd even just do the main panels that matter, so just like the bonnet, the roof, and maybe the doors. But I wouldn't go into like intricate detail with it. Obviously you can also clean your glass with glass cleaner if you want to, but my glass is alright at the minute. So it's very much like I kind of do it on a need to do basis. So I'll do a week of that. Maybe next week I'll do a little bit more in-depth into the car, so maybe I'll top up the wax with like a ceramic wax detailer, and then kind of every month or two I'll do like a full-blown clay bar, new ceramic wax, and like really go into detail with it, just to kind of keep it to that top-notch level. But yeah, you really don't need to do that much in order to actually keep your car shiny, basically. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, favourite, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.